Members of the Shillong Press Fraternity experienced an awkward situation today, the 31st of May, wherein the president of the Npyf, who had recently clarified on allegations made against the NPP by the MPYC, again briefed reporters on the same subject, and when asked about any added item in the agenda, diverted the clarification into some other issue. At the same time, when requested for a briefing in the English language, Kitborlang Nongrem crudely replied to the particular lady reporter. This was his response.
No. I know that you are all Khasi. If you don't understand Khasi, you can ask from your friends.
So sorry, there are portals like English portals also. It's a multilingual channel.
Please ask your friend to translate you. Okay, anything?
This is very wrong. The way you're behaving.
What's wrong here? We are all
Seriously,
friends.
No. I know that you are all Khasi. If you don't understand Khasi, you can ask from your friends.
So sorry, there are portals like English portals also. It's a multilingual channel.
Please ask your friend to translate you. Okay, anything?
This is very wrong. The way you're behaving.
What's wrong here? We are all
Seriously,
friends.